Hey guys, RoonPicker here from the lockpicking video, and today I'm excited to bring to you Quarantined by LockPickingCoalMiner, and we're using the Challenge Lock Saturday hashtag. Now you can see he made this challenge lock out of a Schlage SC4 keyway. I'm assuming this is SC4 because it says on here SC4 on the key, just barely below this mummifying material. And he engraved on here, let's see, there we go. You can see LPCM number 6 and it wrote quarantined. And so I'm not a big fan of the SC4 keyway because my pick always slips off of it, but I don't think that should prevent us from getting it open today. So let's get this in the vise. Let's see if we can get this pick open. We're going to use traditional bottom of the keyway tension with our tension bar. Actually, do it right here, like that. I think that should work. Hopefully. Maybe I'll put it this way. I just don't want to bind up the core and trying to figure out which way is the best way. This is probably will work. Maybe? We'll see. We'll find out. And we'll use a standard hook in 18,000s and see if we can get this open. I think we're binding the core that direction. Let's try this way. All right. There we go. We're into a false set, into a deeper one. There we go. What is holding us up? This keyway can be tricky to try and pick, but it's not impossible. Like most things in life, it just takes some patience and perseverance. Let's reset that. I think we're binding the core still. Let's try this. There we go. There we go. There's something. Now, I don't want to lose this. There we go, got it open. This is that back pin. Okay, we are picked. And let's take a look at this key. Come on, get this tape off here. Should really invest in, there we go, some scissors or something to keep over here. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty typical for a Schlage key. Lots of high cuts in that paracentric keyway can be pretty nasty because you got to get up and around that warding. But great job, LockPickingCoalMiner. Let's see if the key works. Wow, that's a really smooth key. No snagging whatsoever. All right, let's take this apart. Pinning tray. Got to get this clip off the back here. Come on, there we go. Clips off. Let's get our key and a shim. You never know what's gonna be on the inside. All right, put that there. Let's shim this. Okay, that's shimmed. Follower. And let's see if we can get this out. Key pins are right there, and butter. Easy. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And all these chambers are threaded in here. All 6 chambers are threaded. And we got some hardcore serrations on here as well, on these key pins. Except for this, on set 4 pin 5, we got, it looks like a key pin spool. The rest of these have hardcore serrations. Ooh, there we go, there we go. Okay, let's take a look at these driver pins. Take this shim out. Okay. Boom, 1 spring. So one thing I've been thinking about, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments, is should I keep the gutting in my videos, or should I fast forward them, or just cut to after the gutting is done? Let me know what you guys would prefer to see to make this a little bit more entertaining, because I know this part is kind of boring. There's nothing really going on except for me taking stuff out until I show you guys. And then last one. Okay. Spring, and let's take a look at this. So he threaded. So you threaded all the Bible as well. All the Bible is threaded. So, let's leave this out here. Actually, key can go in here, and camera. Let's get that close up. All right. So you can see we have some hardcore serrations and some spools in here. All the springs are the same length. Here is our key bitting, and you see it says SC4 on the key, and it looks like he engraved LPCM number 6 on the key as well. And you can see, whoop, sorry. Come on, focus. There we go. We got serrations on all the chambers there. And I don't know if you guys can see it here. There we go. Kind of barely, it's hard to focus it, but you can see there's serrations on the Bible as well. So that is the picking and gutting of LockPickingCoalMiner's Quarantined. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.